Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pragya, and in today's video I am going to share with you the review of these 3 nail polish. These are from Lakme and I have bought them from Nykaa recently, and I really like these nail polishes because they are from their nail art collection, and I am sure that all of you guys love doing nail arts, but they are really very expensive. So I think all of you should have at least one of these nail polish. So in this video I am going to share all the details about these 3 nail polish and how they are different from the normal nail polish, and I will also share the swatches with you. So if you are interested, please keep on watching. I hope that you will find this video useful. So without any further delay, let's quickly jump into the video. So guys, these 3 nail polishes are from the nail art collection of Lakme, and by the way guys, this video is not sponsored from Nykaa or from Lakme, and I have bought these nail polishes because I really like them and I found them really very attractive on the site. So I thought that let me give it a try, and so here I am with the review of these 3 nail polish. So these nail polishes cost 155 rupees each, but I got them on a discount. There was buy 2 and get 1 offer, so I got these 3 nail polishes on 310 rupees only. So that's a really good deal, I think, because these nail polishes are really different from your normal nail polishes, because your normal nail polishes comes in like 2 variants. One is glossy and the other is matte. So these nail polishes basically have a clear nail polish texture in them, and they have some beads, or you can say that they have some small chunks of different designs and different colors. So when you apply it on your nails, it gives really a good nail art finish. So you don't really have to go to any salon or any nail art parlor to do your nails. So when you go to any nail art parlor, so it costs you a lot more money. So personally I don't like to do my nails at any parlor because they cost you a lot more money, and I don't think that it's worth it. I just do my nail arts and all my nail polish and all my manicure things at my home, and I am really happy with that. I don't need to go to parlor for all these things. But recently when I just got these 3 nail polishes, I am really happy guys, because they just makes your nail look so good, and they give you a feel like you have done your nail from a salon. So that's a really very good thing. So the first nail polish I have with me is a yellow color, or it's a golden color actually, and it has some black beads in it, as you can see. And here is the swatch of the nail polish. Can you guys see how beautiful it looks like? So it's really very hassle free guys. If you are doing your nails at home, nail art at home, then also you just have to put some particles on your clear nail polish or any other colored nail polish, and then you have to apply a base coat and a top coat and all of that. With these nail polishes you don't have to go through all the hassles. You just apply it as you apply any other normal nail polish on your nails, and you are done. So I really like this nail polish, but this nail polish gives me a potato vibe. I mean, can you see that? Doesn't it look like a potato? I'm not kidding guys, but when I first applied it, I thought that it resembles like something, and then I just remember of potato only. So I think it looks like a potato, but it's really nice. I like it. So the next nail polish I have with me is also from their nail art collection of Lakme, and it is a sky blue color. It is actually a sky blue and a pink color, you can say. Actually it's a duochromatic color, and the swatch is here. Can you see that? It has a really very duochromatic effect in it. Sometimes it is sky blue and sometimes it is pink, and when you move your nails and when the lights fall on it, it really looks very nice guys. I really love this nail polish, guys. This nail polish just took my heart. Oh my god, this is so nice, guys. And I just got them for 100 rupees because at discount it cost me 100 rupees each. And even if you don't get the discount at 155 rupees, I think it's worth it, because you are getting a nail art at 155 rupees, and not only for once, you can apply it as many times as you want. And especially at this situation, I mean this lockdown situation, you can't go to any parlor to do your nails. So in that case, I think this collection of their nail art is really very awesome, guys. What do you think? Just let me know in the comment section below. So the next nail polish which I have with me, and this is the last one, I am sure that I am going to buy more of this because I really like these shades, guys, and they have a lot shades of these things. Just go and check the site. I will be attaching all the links in the description box below. Just go and check it out from there. They have some amazing shades, guys. I was like really confused that which shade to buy and which to not, because all the shades really look very nice. So this is a red and white color nail polish. This nail polish has some really cute white color hearts and some silver glitters and white round chunks in it. So this really looks very nice. And here is the swatch, guys. And you see that the small heart and the red and white dots in it. I just applied one coat. You also can go for 2 coats as you would like to be. This is my favorite one. Oh my god, I am so in love with this, guys. Just look at this nail polish. So here is the 3 nail polish, and I also want to show you another nail polish. And this is actually not a nail polish, this is a base coat, you can say, or a nail protector, and you can also use it as a top coat if you want. And this is from Wet n Wild. The packaging is really very nice and different, and you are getting a good amount of it. The price is I think 135 or something. I will attach it on the screen. I can't remember it right now. So it's a really very nice, and the applicator is also very nice, guys. This is really a very good and nice applicator. So guys, I think when you are applying any colored nail polish on your nails, you should obviously apply a base coat. At least you can just skip a top coat if you want, but a base coat is really important to apply on your nails to protect your nails from staining with any colors. So this is really very important. I had a clear nail polish from L18 which was also very good. I just finished it off, and so I got this, and this is really very nice, guys. This is obviously better from the L18 one. I just used to apply it on my nails before applying any colored nail polish to protect my nails. A base coat is really very important to protect your nails from damage. So I personally like to use it as my base coat. You can also use it as your top coat, and sometimes I also use it as a top coat when I am doing some nail arts. I mean, I am not talking about these 3 nail arts. When I am doing normal nail arts at my home, I just apply it as my top coat, and it's really give you a very nice finish. So that is it for today, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to give this a big fat thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends, and also comment down below what you think about these nail polishes, and how much you have spent the most in doing your nail arts from a parlor. I really want to know that. Please do let me know in the comment section below, and also follow me on Instagram. The link is in the description box below. And until next time, stay happy, stay safe, and stay tuned. Bye bye, guys.